Hello, today I'm gonna do a quick cook up some tin mackerel. I'm gonna eat it with boiled dumpling really. So the ingredients I'm gonna use is a small tomato, 2 garlic cloves, half an onion, and 1 stalk of scallion, a piece of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of pimento seed, and this is optional. You can add a 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil and a 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley. This is just my little addition. And you're gonna need a 200-gram mackerel, tin of mackerel, 7 ounce, teaspoon of sea salt, and some oil, cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons, half of a Scotch bonnet pepper. So now prep your seasonings. This onion not so good, you know. I'm just gonna use the other one. Some thyme. And this is the other onion that I had put in the refrigerator. I'm going to use it because it's not so good. You can smell it, and then if it don't smell fresh, don't use it. And if it's brown, don't use it. If it's brown like this, don't use it. Alright. So once that's, you just rinse these out. And just dice these. I'm not gonna cut on the plate because I don't wanna scrape the plate for one. Alright, so just smash the garlics. Now, we men move crazy sometimes. You saw what I was about to do. I was gonna damage my stove just to open 1 can. Stopped myself before I did it. Just open that up and just put this aside until we're ready for it. Now put to eat. Pot for frying. Put the stove gauge on 6 until it gets hot, and add the oil. About 2 tablespoons. And just allow that to hot. Put the stove's gauge on 6, which is medium high. Okay, after about a minute or so, about a minute, add the diced onions. Hope you saw it, but add the diced onion. Put it in there and off it popcorn. And just allow it to caramel for about a minute until you see it start to brown around the edges. And then add the diced onion and the garlic. You can add more oil to this if you want, but I'm not going to. I'm going to add some water. Add it. My pepper frozen. I freeze my pepper. Now add this. Turn the stove gate down. Add a little bit of water. Like that much. Now after 30 seconds, 40 seconds the most. After 40 seconds, just turn it off. And then dice this. And you dice tomato. You see, you don't want to add too much water to it because the water will take away the flavor. A pinch of the herbs and a little bit of the salt, like a quarter teaspoon. And then the peppermint seed. You just stir that in. Just stir that in. I thought these were the thicker ones, but hey. And just cover this until you're ready to serve. Now we are gonna serve this up right. So I always open this. This is the chunks. See? So this is tin mackerel, Jamaican style, cooked down. Don't forget to visit my website, JamaicanDinners.com. sample this thing now. Everybody's supposed to know how this tastes. I don't like eating it that much, but sometimes it's called, sometimes the times call for food like these. That's all I'm gonna say. You can analyze it any way you want. The key to this, just do not add too much water. You can also add some ketchup just to kind of bring up the taste some more. I didn't in this tutorial, but I wish I did, so I'm gonna add the ketchup. I'm going all out. I don't want to show which ketchup I'm using. Right, come, I'm going cheap, I'm going all out. Sometimes we do this, you know. Oops. Sometimes we do this. I'm just going to use this pack of ketchup that I got from a popular restaurant. Kind of thicken it up a little. You can add it after, it's okay.